in blood. Me see that come. You see that something they call ranking? Where you see some of them have to wake and they on live from 7 to 2 in the morning to maintain ranking. You think that normal? They might be sit down subject themselves to the phone to maintain ranking. You can go work and come back from work. They know the same clothes sit on from morning to night. Thinking normal? We over here also we can't sleep. Demons over here. Me top big man so me can't do it again. Dopey over here. Dopey over here in a normal TikTok. Demons on it. I mean, I try to explain to who. 4 times they make up for me. 4 times. 4 times they make him mad me over here. Spiritual warfare. Anywhere you see money involved is chaos. The app is not easy. You see anywhere you see money, confusion. People are going dead with this. People are going dead with it. It'll come like scamming. You see anywhere you see quick money. That's why you see enough scammer dead. You see anywhere you see. Alright, notice. Me know some scammer. You see this scammer, them me know where they run things 6 years ago, all of them dead. You see the fresh one, them will come now, them are dead off little. People we post the amount of money they make on the app. Me don't make so much. Me not tell no lie. I don't make so much on this app. No people I see post up. And then we come and then we talk how much they make on the app. You see quick money will kill you. Let me ask you something too. Me want to know tell me the truth. Tell me if me mad. All the money where everybody put in ranking and make, wanna see. They look any better to who? They look any different? Because normally when people make money, they look different. They look not different. They look not better. Wanna see them accomplish nothing? They can't do it. The money come with blood. The money come with demons. Wanna see them look not different? Not even the clothes them wear to look different. Or when they go buy new clothes, me have to tell them the truth. They look not different. This money is blood money. People come and they give us their honest income. And because of the fight, the addition, the evil, the hypocrisy that come with the finances, they look like a demon. The how much money they make, they still favor Duppy. This is what me do now. Me just humble myself. That's why me say, you know what? Me know I'm playing a match. TikTok I play vision me I get. You see every vision I get, I just lion, whale, Ferris wheel, all the TikTok present them and pay blood me seeing. Me know me house and me realize say a certain hours they intend to attack me the demons. Me a scratch me, I dig myself. And mosquito now bite me. Mosquito now bite me. No care and get the money you can't see what them do with the money. I am elevating. You see when somebody is elevating and moving from A to Z, it will cause confusion. It will cause energy. You will begin a spiritual warfare. Because I am moving up. I am now a problem. I was never a problem before when I come and I just say, hey TikTok, today out here and I doing this and everybody love me. But you see, when I start playing too much, I am a problem. When I start to shoot 2 music video, I am a problem. When I start to get 1 or 2 bookings, I am a problem. I became a problem. Love turned to hate when there is elevation. I am now a problem.